Again, in one of the previous videos talking about recursion, one of the examples that we showed that we can implement, we can solve recursively, is the power of 2 to the n. And what did we say then? We said that we can separate the case where n is odd or even. If n is even, we can just say that we're going to compute the result by computing the power of 2 to the power of n divided by 2 times 2 to the power of n divided by 2 again. If the number n is odd, then we're going to do the same, but we're going to multiply that result by 2 again. Let's see in code what I just mentioned. Here we're computing recursively power of 2 to the power of n divided by 2. And then we are differentiating between the case that n is even, in which case we will say just multiply this number by itself, and the case that n is odd, in which case we will multiply that same number, t times t, by 2. Now in the main method what we are doing is just printing all the powers of 2 to the n, where n goes from 0 to 16. So when we run the program, you should be able to see lots of powers of 2 that you know, at least the ones until 10. So it will be 2, 4, 8, 16, 2 to the power of 9 being 5, 12, 10, 24, and so forth. You may know some of the powers of 2 that come later, but you can also verify through a calculator that these are the correct values.